Hello friends, this is Sahitya Srivastav. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will cover our maps of class 12th history. In this video, we will cover only book first map. So, as you know that in this session, the CBSE reduced the syllabus for this session 2020-2021. This is the list of maps of book first. So the mature Harappan sites from first chapter, and the second chapter from the Mahajanpadas and their cities, and from third chapter distribution of Ashokan inscription, and also from third chapter important kings and towns, and from fourth chapter major Buddhist sites. So let's start. Here is first map from first chapter. These are sites of Indus Valley civilization, and the Indus Valley civilization also known as Harappan civilization, because the Harappa was the first site discovered in Indus Valley civilization. So here we start from Harappa. Harappa is located in Pakistan. The Mohenjo-daro is Pakistan, and Mohenjo-daro was a well-known site of this civilization. The Kot Dizhi also in Pakistan, Balakot in Pakistan, and Janudaro in Pakistan. Okay, there are 5 sites in Pakistan, and here is Dholavira in Gujarat, Lothal in Gujarat, and Nageshwar in Gujarat. There are 3 sites in Gujarat. And Kalibangan in Rajasthan. There is only one site in Kalibangan, and Banavali, Rakhigadi in Haryana. Okay, these are important sites of IVC. Okay, and one important point is that अगर वो आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूछते हैं कि लोथल मेंशन करने के लिए वो, तो आपको लोथल इधर ही मेंशन करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप लोथल को ऊपर मेंशन करते हैं तो आपको गलत माना जाएगा. ओके, अगर आप इस मैप की सारी साइट्स को लर्न कर लेते तो आपको 3 बेनिफिट होंगे. या फिर ये साइट्स आपके एग्ज़ाम में 6 मार्क में पूछी जाएंगी, या फिर आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जा सकता है सपोज़ फर्स्ट साइट डिस्कवर्ड ऑफ द सिविलाइजेशन, तो यू कैन मेंशन हरप्पा. ओके, और क्वेश्चन में एज अ क्वेश्चन आंसर नॉर्मली पूछते हैं मोहनजोदारो के बारे में, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो मेंशन द मोहनजोदारो वॉज अ वेल नोन साइट ऑफ दिस सिविलाइजेशन. ओके, so the second map is from second chapter. There is Mahajanpadas and cities. There are 16 Mahajanpadas, and these are important Mahajanpadas. Okay, so here is Takshila in Pakistan. Here is Gandhar in Pakistan, Kuru in Uttar Pradesh, Panchal in Uttar Pradesh, Kushala in Uttar Pradesh, and Varanasi is also in Uttar Pradesh. Here is Avanti in Madhya Pradesh, Ujjaini in Madhya Pradesh. Here is Magad in Bihar. Magad was the empire, so you can mark anywhere in Bihar. Okay, here is Bajji in Bihar, and Rajgir in Bihar, also in Bihar. So one important point is also that like that Avanti, तो अवंती आपको यहीं लोकेट करना पड़ेगा. आप और कहीं लोकेट नहीं कर सकते तो आपका रॉन्ग माना जाएगा. मगध एम्पायर है तो आप बिहार में कहीं भी मार्क कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड देन थर्ड मैप फ्रॉम चैप्टर थर्ड, द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ अशोकन इंस्क्रिप्शन. सो हियर इज तोपरा in Haryana, Meerut pillar in also in Haryana, Kaushambi in Uttar Pradesh, Sanchi in Madhya Pradesh. Here is Sanchi Stoop. Sanchi Stoop in Sanchi Kanakhera, and the Sanchi Stoop built in 19th century. Okay, here is 3 rulers emerged in South India. Here these are Cholas, Cheras, and Pandyas. Cholas in Andhra Pradesh, Pandyas in Tamil Nadu, and Cheras in Karnataka. Here is third map also from third chapter, kingdoms, towns, and cities. Kushanas from Pakistan, Mathura from Uttar Pradesh, Kannauj from Uttar Pradesh, and Varanasi also from Uttar Pradesh. And here is Vaishali in Bihar, and Rajgir in Bihar, and the Guptas in Bihar. Gupta was the empire, so you can locate anywhere in Bihar. Okay, and here is Shakaz ruler. आपने पढ़ा होगा Shakaz in Gujarat. uh, you can also anywhere mention in Gujarat Shakaz. Okay, and the Bharuch in Bharuch Kutch in Gujarat, Satwanas Vatakas in Maharashtra, and Vidisa in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and the Pohar in Tamil Nadu. And then fourth map from fourth chapter, the major Buddhist sites, and the Lumbini in Nepal, यहाँ पे बुद्धा का बॉन्ड हुआ था, and the Bodh Gaya in Bihar, Bharut in मध्य प्रदेश, सांची in MP. ओके, सांची स्तूप है. सांची स्तूप क्यों बनाए गए थे? क्योंकि बुद्धा के जो रिलिक्स थे, बुद्धा के जो बॉडली पार्ट थे, बुद्धा के जो भी कोई थिंग्स थी, उन्हें मतलब बुद्धा जो भी थिंग्स को यूज़ करते थे वहाँ पे स्तूपा बना दिया जाता था. ओके, एंड द अजंता वॉज महाराष्ट्र एंड नासिक इन महाराष्ट्र, अमरावती in Andhra Pradesh. Amravati was also a stupa. Okay, and then Nagarjun Konda in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these are all important map for book first. Okay, so you have to learn from exam perspective. आपको ये सारे साइट्स अच्छे से लर्न करने होंगे. इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो, प्लीज़ लाइक, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to purchase notes of class 12th geography, political science, history and also fine art, so you can contact me. My contact number given in description box. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.